Hello everyone, I am Navneet. I'm here to present you a very revolutionary software which is Supreme Today AI. This software is powered by artificial intelligence, search technology, and it has immense power to give you result through the use of artificial intelligence. So let me take you to the entire tour of this website, how you can access this product and how it can be useful for your legal research and it can save your time. So for using this product you are required to go to a website which is www.supremetoday.ai. After visiting the website you can sign in or sign up at this platform through your user ID and password. The moment you sign in you would be getting this page which will be highlighting various things. So I will be taking you through all functions one by one. So first thing I would like to talk about Supreme Today AI. It's immense database what you get it here. So as far as the judgments point of view, there are the largest judgment database available here in Supreme Today AI. It has got 1 crore plus judgments available in this database. There are 17 lakh plus judgments which are reported from 300 plus journals in India. So you would be getting any journal citation available here with its detail. In the Supreme Today AI, you not only get reported judgment but you also get unreported judgment. You can see on the screen there are 19 lakh plus unreported cases available here. So this is again a very unique database because unreported database is not available at any platform in India. So this is where we're bringing those database and making it your reach much wider towards the judgments. Now these judgments are covered from various court. There are judgments from Supreme Court from 1950 onwards. There are High Court judgments. All High Court judgments are covered here. There are all tribunals and commissions covered here. There is Privy Council database from 1800 onwards to 1950. There is foreign court judgments too available and also the federal courts. Apart from judgment, there are other things you get it into this database. There are state and central acts available here. Their amendments are available here. Their notifications and gadgets are available. There are various commentaries which are published by us are available here. There are articles available here, law commission reports, international treaties. All of these databases is available at one platform here. Now, as you see that there is a very vast database, it is very important to have a technology which can fetch results whatever you're looking for. So here we have used artificial intelligence to get you quicker result and it has immense power to search anything what you're looking for. So here we will be going through two parameters. One is the artificial based intelligence search. Another one is about interpreting the document judgment through artificial intelligence. So let me take you to the first segment. Now here we can search anything and we will be getting results accordingly. So there is no limitation what kind of search you want to put in, how you want to put in. You simply put your searches here and you will be getting the results. Now for example, I want to make a search mental cruelty can be justified for getting divorce. So I have made this search and now I will be getting all the results on mental cruelty. So once I get result, I can open any of the judgment and see how it has established. So you can see this Subhakshi Chakravarti versus Sushmita, and in this judgment it says mental cruelty can be emphasized as a ground of divorce, and petition was allowed. Now here we have what all things what we are getting on a judgment is where it has been reported, all the equal citations are available. Then you get a head note where you can understand the summary of the judgment and followed by the judgment. Now what you can do with the other segment of AI is you can use the AI assistants to actually understand the entire judgment in the way you want to understand. Now for example, on the top you can see this is AI assistance option. So the moment you click on AI assistance, it will automatically summarize. It says mental cruelty can be justified as ground of obtaining divorce. 13.1, in the case applicant evidence indicated that respondent conduct including abandoning the matrimonial house and relocating abroad. Court found such behavior disrupted matrimonial life, and so it has been granted. Now you can ask any other question to AI, like you can ask defects in this case. So the moment you give command of defect, it will be showing us what were defect in the earlier order and what the High Court has found. Now there was failure to acknowledge mental cruelty, inadequate consideration of evidence, ignoring context of abandonment, procedural issue with notice, misinterpretation of cruelty. So all the defects which were there in the earlier order and the new order has found all those defects and decided accordingly have come here. Similarly, you can ask it to write the ratio descendi of this case. So the moment you give this command, it will give us the entire ratio descendi of this code case. So court emphasized section 3.1 mental cruelty. Therefore, appeal was allowed and petitioner divorce was granted. Similarly, we can ask any other question. We can even ask it to write the events and dates in tabular form. So see, the moment we asked it events and date, it has given us all these, like the applicant and respondent marriage was solemnized, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, marriage registered on 3rd July, then March 2023 what happened, applicant filed respondent corresponding email, everything, all the events have come with dates. It has like anything, this AI chat has a power to interpret anything about this document and you will be getting exact relevant result here. You can ask it to write the conclusion of the case. So see, it has given us the conclusion. The High Court of Karnataka found family court order aired in the dismissing application of for divorce, and the court determined the respondent conduct abandoning and following. As a result, High Court allowed appeal and set aside family court order, and thereby dissolving marriage. So exactly what conclusion should come out, we have got it through this AI assistance. Now this was one feature. If we go down, we will be able to see judgment, and on every part of judgment we are seeing star mark. Now see, the applicant marriage and respondent was solemnized in Jabalpur, and the applicant respondent established their matrimony in Bangalore. The applicant filed above divorce in the year 2014, alleging cruelty of the respondent. Now I want to see something related to this paragraph. So what option I have is, I can just simply go on parallel paragraph star, the star which is given in every paragraph. So the moment you click on this star, you will get in power to get more judgment in the similar context. Now you see all these judgments again on the similar context of divorce vis-a-vis cruelty. So this is something where you would be getting hundreds of judgment, or maybe whatever context it is. So whatever number of judgments which is available in the database, you will be getting the similar judgments available. So these are again features which are unmatchable with any AI tool. So that is what the LLM model, what we have used in our database, is fetching out these results. Now let's try some other search. You can always clear it from this right corner option, and all the searches what you have done will go, and you can focus on a new search. So similarly we can ask any other query, like we can ask it habeas corpus petition is maintainable in missing person case. So the moment you make this search, you will be getting all the results from different courts. So there are 285 judgments which are reported in various journals in India, and there are 229 judgments which are still unreported, and these are also available here. Now on the left side you are seeing filter. Now this is filter is again a very powerful tool where you can filter out and get exactly what you're looking for. Now as we go for about this query, habeas corpus petition is maintainable in missing person case. So you must all be aware that habeas corpus petition can be filed out in various categories. It can filed out in family matters, it can be filed out in illegal detention and various other matters. So I am category looking for maybe child custody related habeas corpus petition. So I want those cases only. So what option I have here is, I can categorize the category here, and the moment I select any of the category, I will, like for example child custody, I will be only getting 3 cases available, and these are all habeas corpus petition vis-a-vis child custody is concerned. Now there are other things what you can do with this is, you can also select bench size, maybe year which you are looking for. Courts also you can do, only Supreme Court or Bombay or any particular court. So you will be left with only those court judgment. Then there is disposition. This is again very important. I don't want to see the petition which was not allowed, which were dismissed. Rather I want to see allowed petition. So if I click on allowed petition, I will be only getting allowed cases, 50 cases. Other cases will just go away. So this is again a very good filter option which is available here. Now similarly, there are again we have given you multiple search options. You can search through AI paragraph. So you will be getting result out of a paragraph wherever this particular query is been quoted, or you can use the AI sentence. The moment you use AI sentence, the entire query will come in the form of sentence. See, so habeas corpus petition that is required to find out and produce the person. So exactly what you are looking for has come in the form of sentence. Now again I'll clear it and we'll try to see any other query. For example, anticipatory bail under narcotics, drugs, psychotropic. So now you see I've got exactly results all on anticipatory bail in narcotic cases. Again, you can use all these four search parameter option. You can use all these filter options. So the point was telling about 3-4 queries is you can search any query here and you will be getting many results, whatever number of results are available on it at this platform. Now let us see some more features here. Now we have also given you a advanced search option available just right to search box. So if you click on the advanced search option, there you are getting all the traditional options which are like you can search based on citation number available, you can search based on party name available, maybe judge name, advocate name, case number. So from all these options you can search results. Suppose you want to search, you want to read any journal. Here there is no limitation, you can read any journal, full journal. Suppose you just want to read SCC cases, whatever cases published in SCC I want to read for a particular year or month or whatever. So you can just choose SCC journal, year, and then you get all volumes. Till now 12 volumes were there in 2024. So all volumes are available. You can start reading from volume 1, and in volume 1 there are so many judgments which are published. Till 818 page there are judgments. So you can start reading from page number 1 and you see you have got this judgment. Again you can open this judgment, and here also you can try all other options, like you can use AI assistance instead of reading the entire judgment, or after reading head note you want to clarify a few things, so you can use AI assistance. So now this case is about senior advocate issue in Supreme Court. So you see there are so many journals which have published this case. So all we have given you on the top. Then you can use AI assistance again and you will be getting all the possible questions and answers which you can ask it, like petition overview, summary, judicial precedent, critics of legal system, reckless pre-pleading, constitutional validity, presumption. Now you want to ask it, like suppose you can ask it to write the draft of this case. So you will be getting the entire draft available. Draft is very important tool here because it will be giving you various information like facts of the case, finding of the court, conclusion, result. So this feature will again be activated the moment you see any judgment. You can use AI assistant. Here we have given you more features, like you can ask it to just speak. You can just listen any judgment.
A. Advocates Act, 1961, Section 16 and 23, 5, Supreme Court Rules, 2013, Rule 2 of Order 4, Constitution of India, Articles 14 and 21, Designation.
So you see, it was reading the judgment. Similarly, you can ask it to change the language. So it will change it the language you want. You can share the judgment from here. You can share it through mail, Facebook, WhatsApp. You can get it print, and in the print you will be first of all seeing all the equal citation wherever it has been published are available, then followed by case detail, important point, head note, referred judgment list, and followed by the judgment. Then you can also increase, decrease font size. You can download the judgment from here. You can also make full screen, so you can read it in full screen. And then again going back to the same query, then you can just cross from here. So again in we come back to the advanced search. Here I'll show you a few more things, like you can again ask any party wise judgment here. Justice K.S. Puttaswamy. So you get this judgment. So the moment you click on this judgment, I think this is a well-known judgment about the privacy, and it has upheld our right to privacy, which rely through Aadhaar Act, and all the information regarding this, the citations used, head note, everything is available here. Now you see on the top there are again various options available. You can just select on it and you can read only head note. You can read the arguments here, law referred here, and there is judicial analysis. This is again very important feature. So the moment you click on judicial analysis, you will be seeing the entire DNA of the case. Like I can see there are 321 times this judgment has been referred till now, and there are various year wise classification available where it has been referred, category wise classification available, like it has referred in PIL, matrimonial, criminal law. Then code wise classification is available, like it is referred in so many codes. So you can just click like Madhya Pradesh cases you want, or Jharkhand, or maybe Gujarat. So that can be done, or you can just check year wise classification. So if you say 2025, so you will be getting only 2025 cases here. There is authority check also. So wherever it has been referred, relied, overruled, you will be getting information here. So in short, you will be getting entire DNA of the law through this judicial analytics option. Now let me clear and show you few more things on advanced search. So here you can also look for any act and section wise search also. Like suppose you want to look IPC. So now it is Bharati Nyaya Sahita. So if you click on BNS, you will be getting the entire act available, plus with its comparative provision is also available here. You can ask comparative provision. So all the comparative provision is also available. Similarly, you can see the related judgment on any act and section, you will be getting all related judgments too. And again, you can use AI assistants to read these judgments. Now, it was about search and AI assistants in first segment. Second segment is about chat. So in chat, the second option of below home, you can use chat. Now chat has a power to give you reply on any question what you're looking for. Now for example, you want to ask a question to it. So just click on ask a question, and again here you can choose it to answer from specific, like it should not answer from every court. It should answer from Supreme Court. It should answer from Bombay High Court. So you apply here. Then you can ask your query here. So for example, you want to ask a particular query like what is the process of obtaining occupation certificate in Maharashtra. So now this AI chat tool will give you all the possible answers on particular query and how to go about that query. It will give you every information through various judgments which have been upheld in the court of Bombay and Supreme Court. So now this is something which is not coming from any source, but it is coming from a particular judgment which are already being decided in this query, and at the same time those judgment links are available here. So that means you can be very sure that what you're reading context is relevant and it is there in the judgment, and the same can be cited in any court. So now you see application of submission you need to do. So the owner and developer, and this is again from Nitin Seth versus Vijay Lakshmi, Bombay. You can do all AI assistance, every feature on any judgment call. Then you see it says document required. What is the requirement of document while submitting the occupation certificate? So again that has been laid down in various judgment. Ramesh versus State of Maharashtra, City and Industrial Development Corporation versus. So likewise verification process is also laid down in various judgment, that is also there, and addressing requisitions, issuance of certificate, again Nitin Seth versus Vijay Lakshmi. So how to go about a query is something which you get it in this chat option. Now again you can see some other chat, like we can ask some more questions. So we go on the ask a question option, and we can ask how can accused prove that check was not signed by him. So now you see the entire process about this particular query: dispute of signature, expert examination, evidence of misuse. Accused can present evidence showing that check was misused or issued under circumstances, lack of action of misuse, admission of signature. The accused must explicitly dispute the signature on the check if accused does not arise that during the trial. So all the related judgments and queries information has come on this query too, and all are with the judgments. So we can read those judgment and we can very well put it into the court. Similarly, we can ask any other query also. Let's try one more. Now, ground of interim maintenance. So, see, the moment we asked it, tell us ground of interim maintenance. So, in Indian law, it is under 125 CRPC. Then again, Hindu Marriage Act, section 24. So, everywhere eligibility, desertion, DV Act, what should be the consideration and limitation. So all possible answers to a particular query with judgments have come here. Now in the chat segment, there are a few more things what you get it is you can ask it to write a draft on any petition and in any language. Now suppose you want to draft, you can ask it to draft a adjournment application. So it will draft the entire application. Now after you're getting the draft, you can insert your information within this draft by going to add to editor, and in the right below there is an option to edit. So if you click here, all the information which has to be edited in this case will come here, and you can just simply edit it, and it will automatically prepare your, once you do use apply, it will prepare your entire draft petition. Similarly, you can draft petition in any other language too. So like for example, draft a bail application in Hindi, right? So it will draft a bail application, and again you can do the changes from add to editor option. So there is one more option where you can upload a file and ask it to analyze it. Maybe you can upload in regional language also, and you can ask AI to analyze that particular document. Then once we see below segment, there is a history option available. So whatever we are doing, all our histories are saved here. Even our bookmarks are saved here, searches are saved here, document notification, whatever we are saying, saving, all are saved here in this option. So if the kind of accuracy and the kind of updates what we bring in is very fast. If you see, there are updates from 3rd February which are available on various cases which have been decided. We can just simply open the case, and you see you get the head notes of the case, facts, finding, also judicial analytics. You can again use AI assistant to quickly read the judgment. So mostly the judgments are coming maybe in hundreds in different court, all high courts and maybe tribunals and Supreme Court. So the moment you read any new case here, again there is an AI option available. So quickly read it, understand it, so that you don't have to wait to find out time to read a 100-page document, which may take at least 2-3 hours. There is legal news segment also available here. So the moment you click on legal news, you will be seeing all the latest news. So how do we source news, do we get it through some digital media, or we read it through newspaper? But then newspaper will not give us the detail about case. It will only give us the legal proposition what happened, but not exactly the information which case it has been happened. Here you will be getting both the things. You're getting the news as well as what is happening out. So if you click on any news, the court rule that absence of incriminating material 153A, so you get all the background arguments, court analysis, decision, plus you can also look for that case in database. And once you start using reading news, you can always go on, and you'll be getting more news. So if you click on this document, you will be getting the entire judgment. So every legal news will be available with the judgment and all other AI features too. So in short, this Supreme Today AI is very powerful tool, and it can be used with such a large database very easily. And I'm sure you will be able to connect all these features while seeing this demo session once or twice, and you can very easily use this product. So thank you for listening this session.